Hey guys, Dave again with NewboldToyota, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about after the purchase of your brand new Toyota. What does Toyota do to help you take care of that car after the sale? ToyotaCare is a 2-year no-cost maintenance plan, and almost no manufacturers out there other than your luxury manufacturers offer this to consumers. But Toyota, one of their secrets for longevity is making sure your car is looked at by somebody who knows what they're looking for, right? And what better way to do that than to have you bring the car into your Toyota dealership with factory trained technicians to get your oil changes and your tire rotations done, because they're also going to inspect your car while it's under warranty to make sure you get the best leg up possible on your ownership for many years to come. Every 6 months or every 5,000 miles, you're going to bring your new Toyota in for a tire rotation. And then once a year or every 10,000 miles, you're going to bring it in for an oil change. And that's free for the first 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first. You're also going to get 2 years unlimited miles of roadside assistance. If you run out of gas, if you lock your keys in the car, if you left the lights on for an extended period and the battery's dead, Toyota will come in and take care of you for free for 2 years anywhere in the continental United States. The other thing is you get access not only to factory trained technicians doing those services for you, but these new cars nowadays have a ton of new technology on them. And if you've had, a 14-year-old Avalon or, a 15-year-old RAV4 and you're trading it in, that technology jump is huge. What I'm trying to say is you get access to a trained sales staff here that can help you navigate the learning process of a new vehicle, and that's worth a lot. And if you don't know what I'm talking about all the safety stuff in the cars and all the new technology. We sit down with you and go over that stuff, and you can come back and ask questions. Come find me. My name's Dave. I'm more than happy to help you with anything, and if I don't know the answer, we'll find somebody who does. Again, thanks for buying your new Toyota. If you have any questions, come see us at Newbold. Thanks. Have a great day, guys.